Hello, I'm Matteo Righetto and I'm an Italian chef, and today we are here to GGM Gastro to make the video and where we explain how to smoke with the combi of GGM Gastro. The idea of today is to show a different kind of cooking with the one accessories that we have on our catalog, where we have the possibility to smoke, to give the flavor, the aroma of smoke to our food. So let's start with the accessories that we have here. So this is the box, this is the smoker that produces the flavor and the aroma. As you can see, here inside we have one heating element, okay, and this is where we put the wood chips. So here we have some cherry wood chips that give also this one the flavor to our preparation. We cover the heating elements with the wood chips, and we can personalize it with some other herbs. Like in this case, we have some thyme that we can put on it. Okay, so now our aroma smoker is ready. So let's go to connect it. We must wait around 5 to 10 minutes that the heating elements start to burn the wood, and then we will be ready with the process, with the cooking inside our machine. Here we have the second part of the smoker. Here is where we must to connect the main box for the power. Okay, how it works? So we connect the connector here. We must to connect the plug to the power. Okay, and one time that is connected, we turn on the machine. As you can see, we have the lights, that means that the machine is working. We leave it here from 5 to 10 minutes, that it will start to make the smoke. When we can see the smoke, we are ready for the cooking, and we will put inside our oven. So the first ingredients that we will smoke is the salt. Okay, so here we are mixing some sea salt salt with some herbs. We are going to mix all together to give the aroma of the herbs, and also we will add the aroma of the smoke. So here the only things that we must to do is to mix. Okay, here inside we have some rosemary, we have some sage, some lemon zest and some thyme. And here let's go with the second ingredients. Here we have some salmon with some tomato cherries. Here the only things that we will do is to put only some oil on top and some salt and some pepper. And also the second ingredient is ready to be smoked. So the third ingredient that we are going to smoke is the pork ribs. Okay, and here is quite easy because we already marinate with some barbecue sauce and with some smoked paprika. The only things that we are going to add right now is some salt. And that's it. So, and also this one, it will be ready for the smoking process. Here we have the last ingredients that we are going to smoke with all the rest, and here we have some chicken wings and chicken thigh. The only thing that we will add here is some lemon juice, okay, and we are going to put some slice of lemon. Okay, so, and also the last ingredient is ready. We go in front of our machine and we start the multi-timer cooking. Is a special cooking that we will use for this process, the smoking process. And let's go in front of the oven and show you how to set everything. Perfect. So right now, from here we can start the multi-timer cooking. For the multi-timer cooking, we must to go here where we can see the timer. The only things that we can set is the temperature of the cooking, and for this process we are going to set 185 degrees. We will work with the chimney with a half position, so means that it's not completely open and not completely closed. We reduce the fan speed to 20% because we need to move some air, but not a lot. And we set the preheating at 10%. Okay, so now we are ready with the preheating. We press start, and when the smoker will be ready and the oven will be ready, we will start the smoking process. Here we have the oven that is ready, the preheating is finished, so, and also the smoker is ready. So let's go to open the door. We bring our smoker. As you can see, we start to produce some smoke here. So we put on the bottom of the ovens like this, and now we are ready for load all the different kind of products. So here we have all the food ready for the smoking process. As you can see, we have fish, we have salt, we have chicken, and we have pork ribs. All food that we will smoke and we will cook together inside the same oven, inside the same chamber with GGM Gastro machine. So let's go with the fish. Here we have the salmon. So we put inside the salmon, and we set the timer for the salmon. It's around 16 minutes. So let's go with the salt. Here we have the salt, and we are going to put it here, and for this one we set 8 minutes. Now is the time of the chicken wings. Here we have the chicken. We are going to put it inside, and for the chicken we set 18 minutes. So, and the last ingredients that we will smoke today are the ribs, the pork ribs, and let's go to put inside. So here we have the barbecue pork ribs, and we are going to smoke it here. And for the smoked ribs, we are going to set it 25 minutes. We close the door, and the process will start automatically. So now we are ready with the smoking process. We have all the food ready with all the perfect time. So here we have the salmon, smoked salmon with the tomato cherry. So here we have the salt with the herbs. Chicken wings with lemon. And here, the last are the pork ribs with the barbecue sauce. Here we have all the food ready and smoked. As we explained, we have the salmon with the tomato cherry, we have the smoked salt. Okay, so this can be used for a long time for give the aroma and the flavor, for example, to the grilled meat. Here we have the chicken with a lemon sauce, and the chicken wings, the chicken thighs, and here we have these kind of ribs. Okay, perfectly cooking. In 25 minutes we have everything ready and perfectly smoked and cooked. Also, the salmon is juicy but with the flavor of the smoke. So right now we are at the end of this video, and we are going to start the automatic washing system, and in about 1 hour the oven will be ready and clean for the next video. So thanks for your attention, and follow me that we go to start the washing. Here we are. We go inside the special cycles, we go inside the washing, and we will choose the hard washing. See you.